Hi friends, welcome back to Ria's Kitchen. Well, we all know that biscuit Oreo, we can prepare a lot of desserts as well as drinks using a lot of desserts and beverages using the Oreo biscuit, right? So today I will show you a recipe. It's a very easy recipe, a cake recipe. That is Oreo ice cream cake. It will taste really yummy and delicious, of course, in this summer. And it is a 2 ingredients cake. We will only use Oreo biscuits and some ice cream, and it's no bake cake. We don't need to bake the cake, so the process becomes automatically easier. So without wasting time, let's start. For the preparation of the Oreo ice cream cake, we will be using some Oreo biscuits and some vanilla flavored ice cream. Well, we can use any flavor if we want. And along with these two ingredients, we will use 2 tablespoons of melted butter. It is a 3-ingredient cake. Okay, so I have grinded the mixture. This is the Oreo biscuit grinded, and now I have taken this box. We can use any type of box or cake molds which comes with lid, and we will add the grinded Oreo biscuits here. So here is our grinded, actually coarsely grinded Oreo biscuits, and now we will add 2 tablespoons of butter in this. And just mix everything all together to form a smooth texture. So after mixing the butter with the Oreo biscuits, we'll have to spread the biscuit evenly throughout the bowl or dish, whatever we are using, and so that it form a smooth base. You can see like this. You just need to spread this. Okay, so now it's time to add the ice cream. With the help of a scoop, I'm adding the vanilla ice cream here. Well, you can use any kind of ice cream of your choice and of any flavor. After adding the ice cream, we also need to spread the ice cream evenly throughout the cake, just like this. Just to give a cake-like shape. Okay, so the ice cream layer has been formed. You can see from top to bottom. Here is the base and here is ice cream, and we will now just top it with some Oreo biscuits like this. Or whatever design you may like. Alright, now close the lid and refrigerate it for 5 to 6 hours or overnight, and our ice cream Oreo cake will be ready. Hi friends, so after 6 to 7 hours I've taken out the ice cream Oreo cake, and it's completely ready to be served, looking yummy. So let's cut a piece from it. So the cake is really looking just yummy, and you saw it was really very easy. Do try it in your home, and if you like the video, please share, subscribe, and do hit the like button. And till my next recipe, bye bye.